Alright everybody, this is a quick tutorial. If you're having any issues with some full screen mode games or you're unable to register your keystrokes through some specific software, for example push to talk on voice communication like Discord, TeamSpeak, whatever it was, or if you're using a Razer, Corsair or Microsoft or Logitech device and your Synapse is not letting you use the keybinds for the in-game, here's what you gotta do. You go to the start menu right here, or you can access it by pressing the window button on your keyboard, which is the bottom left corner next to the control, between Alt and Control. And then all you have to do is type the software that you need to work in the game. So for example, let's say Discord, right? Type Discord, right click it, open file location, and then it will open the window with a shortcut. Right click that, properties, compatibility tab, and then make sure that run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 is checked, and then run this program as an administrator is also checked. So you can do this for all, apply and OK, and you can do this for all of the programs, for example like Razer Synapse, open file location, right click, properties. See, if I've already done this for my Razer Synapse, as well for my Corsair mouse, ICEU. So right click it, open file location, and then right click the shortcut, properties, compatibility, and then you just check these two boxes. And after that, there's one of two options. The easiest is just to, restart your PC, and after you restart, that should take effect. If you don't wanna, if you think it's too tedious, all you gotta do is just open the start menu and click Task Manager, or you can click right here in the taskbar and go to Task Manager and terminate all the software that you are trying to rerun now, so that the changes can take effect. For example, look for Discord, it's not here. Look for the Razer Synapse, it's here. So I right click it, End Task. This should close this software, and then you can just rerun it again from the start menu right here. Thank you very much. Have a good day.